Okay, the next question is, can you customize the product hierarchy? Meaning, is it just 3 levels? Can't you do more levels? Yes, you can customize product hierarchy. Customize product hierarchy. And how do you do that? So you have these 18 characters, right? And the way the system divides it by default is 5, 5, and 8. And how can you customize it? You can customize it any way you want. You can have 3, 5, and then 3, and that's 8 plus 3, 11, and then you can have 7. That's possible. At most you can have 9 different subdivisions in a product hierarchy. Like you can have 3, and then a 1, and then a 1, and then a 3, and so on. You can have up to 9 different levels in a product hierarchy. How do you do that? Well, for starters, it's not something that you can do as a functional consultant alone. So make sure that you have the help of an ABAP consultant. Okay. And the second thing is you have to understand structures, domains, and all that stuff. Now, you don't have to really understand it. As long as you give the procedure to your ABAP consultant, he should be able to do it. So here is what you need to know about product hierarchy technically. So these 18 characters that I was talking about, right? They are defined in a domain called prod, PRODHS. That's the name of the, a technical element or the domain that defines this product hierarchy. You can go to SE11, enter PRODHS, and then you can see the definition of it. The typical out-of-the-box definition is prod H1, and that is 5 characters, and then prod PRODH2, that is 5 characters too, and then we have prod H3, and that is 8 characters. And this is how SAP defines it out of the box. Now, if you want to have your own, you got to follow a naming convention. So if it is 1 character, you got to name it as ZZ prod H1. Okay, or you can do ZZ prod H2, right? As many as the system allows. You only have like 18 characters, so you can only have so many. And if you want to have say 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 4, right? Like 4 different levels, 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 4. Here is what you can do. You can change the definition of prod HS to prod H1, prod H2. You can let them remain the same. Remove this guy and then have ZZ prod H1 for the first 4 characters, and then ZZ prod H2 for the next 4 characters. And when you go and define prod HS, this is how it should look like: first, second, third, and 4. That's how you can customize your product hierarchy.